A bookkeeper saves more than money. Well, people think a bookkeeper job is just to record number. But the truth is, a bookkeeper saves much more than money. A good bookkeeper saves time by keeping your financial record organized. They save you from costly mistakes by catching error before they become expensive problems. They save your cash flow by tracking unpaid invoice and making sure bills are paid on time. They save your stress because you're no longer scrambled to find receipt when tax season arrives. Most important, they save your business by giving your accurate financial report so you can make smart decisions with confidence. A business owner who knows their number is a business owner who can grow. Because bookkeeping isn't just about recording transactions. It's about protecting the future of your business. If you're running a business without a bookkeeper, you're taking unnecessary risk. This is Joey Honey, and I help businesses owners save time, stay organized, and understand their financial through accurate bookkeeping. If you found this helpful, follow for more bookkeeping tips. And if you need support with your book, feel free to send me a message. Bye. Hi. Today our topic is what happened if you never reconcile your bank account. Well, think about this. Your bank balance say $25,000, but your accounting software says $31,000. Which one is correct? This is exactly what happened when you never reconcile your bank account. Bank reconciliation isn't just another bookkeeping task. It's one of the most important. If you never reconcile your bank account, you could be making business decisions based in incorrect number. You might mess duplicate transaction, forget to record bank fee, overlook customer payment, or even fail to detect fraudulent charges. Over time, these small mistakes add up, making your financial report unreliable. Over time, these small mistakes add up, making your financial report incorrect. Then, when tax season arrives, you're left wondering why your book don't match your bank statement. Reconcile